Okay, good morning, all of you. So, yeah. Okay, so instead of wasting time, we can jump all those topics. Let me share my screen. So, go to Paint. Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins roles, RBAC access. Roles. Backup, multi-branch. Topics we are going to discuss. Okay, so what is rollback access first? What is role access? Guys, are you able to see my screen? Good morning. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Anyone please confirm from online? Yes, good. So, what is Jenkins roles? Role-based access. Okay. So, you have already logged in your Jenkins account. For example, let me go to EC2 instance. So, we are going to discuss Argo CD also. Very, very, very important concept. So, if you are update your resume, you will get a good preference. Okay. I'm just login my Jenkins server. Okay. Okay, so here I'm able to see all the jobs I can create, I can delete, I can update, everything I can do it, right? The reason is I'm the admin of this Jenkins, right? I have created this Jenkins. So I can do anything here. Now, if you want to give access this Jenkins to your friend, your colleague, you should not share directly all with admin access. So we can control, like we can create some roles, we can attach some permissions, we can give your access to your friend. So your colleague or friend can able to access whatever permission given by you. Clear? I mean, if you give to your friend this URL, if you give this credentials to your friend is able to, your colleague is able to access everything, right? If I create a user, sample user, I can attach some role permissions to you, that user. If I share that user credentials to your colleague, they can able to log in first. Regarding permissions, whatever permissions you have given by root, those permissions he can able to access, like IAM. Clear? See, let's assume I will show you manager Jenkins. For that, first we need plugin, installed plugin, role based authorization strategy. We need to install this plugin, role based authorization strategy. Okay. So let me show you something. I will share this document everyone just for understanding. You can do it if required also. Even I will explain everything. Okay. Okay. So first we need to install role strategy plugin into your Jenkins to enable roles and access. Okay. Let me come here. Sorry, here. So I need to update role-based authorization strategy. In your case, available plugins. My case, install plugin. I have already installed. This is clear. Role-based authorization plugin. This is first step. Now go to manage Jenkins again. Here we can see here manage and assign roles. After install plugin only, you are able to see manage and assign roles. If you can come the document, if you can come to document, I can update each, just like download from Google only, role-based authorization strategy. And we have to configure global security first. Okay. Okay. So first we need to configure security. We have to give role-based authorization strategy, whatever we have plugin. And save apply means only we are able to see this one. Okay. First step is what? Need to install role-based authorization strategy. Okay. Strategy. Once you install it, you need to configure into security. Step 2. In step 2, come here. This is very important, guys. Interview definitely they will ask the questions. Okay. After configure the plugins, you need to come here, security. Okay. First step. After configure, come to security. And come to security and enable role-based authentication, authorization. Okay. Step 2, manage Jenkins. In the step 2, after plugin, I just click to security. Step 2, I'll just go to here, authorization. I have selected role-based strategy. Is this clear, everyone? After apply save, you are able to see in the manage Jenkins, manage and assign roles. Okay. Step 3, manage and assign roles. Okay. Come to manage and assign roles. Okay. These are the global roles. First, I need to create any global role. For example, DevOps, custom choice. We have so many permissions. See, overall credentials, agent, job, run. These are actions in the Jenkins. Okay. Global configurations, job permissions, workspace, delete, whatnot. So many things are there, right? Yeah. So now I'm going to add one role to this global role configuration. See, I have already admin, right? Custom role, developer role, tester role. These are some different actions, different permissions. Okay. The first is I'm going to DevOps role. I'm going to create a role, DevOps role in global roles. So otherwise I can create a user. I can attach directly any one of the role here. But this role, I can give additional permissions. I can give this role to my user, or you can create a specific role separately also. Understand? For example, DevOps role. Sorry, DevOps role. Add. See, DevOps is added here. Now, DevOps role required whatever permission. So you can give admin access, read access, create, delete, what not, you can do anything. For example, read permission only. And jobs, build, cancel, create, move, read. So I'm enabling jobs read also. How many jobs are there? So whoever attach DevOps role, the user can able to see overall read, jobs read. Clear? So let me understand you guys here. What I did now, I have created a role, DevOps, right? My role is ready, right? Having permissions of read. Having permissions of read, correct? Now you need to give this access to your colleague. So what you need to do? You need to create a user first and attach this role to this DevOps role. Clear? Clear, guys? What I'm trying to say? Otherwise, sir, why you have created role? We have so many existing roles, right? You can attach. Yes, you can attach. Otherwise, specifically, you can create a different role also with custom permissions. Clear? So my role is ready, right? My DevOps role is ready having read. Clear? Now what I need to do? My role is ready. So let's come here. Assign roles to where? To user. Clear? So before that, what I need to do? I need to create a user. Okay. Okay. Where should I create a users? Come here. Come to manage Jenkins. Users. Okay. Users. I'm going to create one more user. DevOps. 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 Okay. My user is ready right now. DevOps user is ready. Okay. So did I attach any permissions? No, right? So where should I go? Come to dashboard. Otherwise, manage Jenkins. So manage and assign roles. Assign roles. I need to add user here. What? DevOps. See, DevOps is added. Clear? So now you can add these existing admin or custom role or developer or tester role. Any role I can attach. Is this clear, everyone? For example, my DevOps, where is my role here? Let me go to the document once. Clear only. Just give me 1 minute. What is the role name? DevOps, right? What role I have added here? Name? Tester or what? DevOps, no? DevOps. Apply. Sorry. Read. I have forget to save this, na? Okay. Sorry, I forget to save this. These permissions, right? Read only. So apply, save. Now DevOps is there. Okay. So go to assign roles now. But why is not updated here? Yes, updated. Okay. After refresh. So I have created role means what here? User means what? This one also need to add. DevOps user, right? I will show you one more time. Don't worry if you have any confusion. So now DevOps user going to add which role? DevOps role. Clear? If you click here, DevOps with DevOps role. Clear now? Apply, save. Now I'm going to log in my DevOps. So don't use Chrome. Again, it is redirect. Use one more URL. So take this, Control C, Control V. Okay. So now I have given these credentials, whatever credentials you have created user, right? Credentials to your colleague. So now your colleague is going to log in. This is the user, right? I have created password also same. See, I'm able to see list of jobs, right? I have given list of jobs. See, is there an option to create job? See, there is no create option. Why? I haven't given any permission to create. I have given only read permissions. Clear? So if you can go your route now. Now I'm going to give job create option. Okay, my DevOps role. Apply and save. Okay, so if you can see DevOps read create job also have given. Now I think see new item updated. Now create job also. Clear? This is the process to create a role and assign permissions. Read, write, delete, whatever. So first what I did, we have created a role, giving some permissions. Created role, giving some permissions and attached this role to my users. So before that, you have to create a user. Clear? I will show you one more time, guys. So I'm going to, so there is some requirement. My colleague is asking to give permission. Okay, permission. So what I need to do? First, you need to create a role. Okay, otherwise you can give tester role also there, right? So what you need to do? DevOps role also there, right? If you want to give same permissions to your colleague, what you need to do? Directly you can come, create user first. And for example, test is user. You have created. So click, so this is user. What you need to do? Come here. Add user. You can add test directly, right? Test. I think test already there now. No. So you can directly add a test. Already exists now. Okay, anyway. So delete Licky. So I have added Licky. Okay. For example, Licky user is created. I have added. See, I can use existing roles also. DevOps or developers or custom role or tester. Otherwise, you can create one more role and the role, if you save, the role is updated here. Clear now? For example, no, sir, I'm not going to existing roles. I can create my special role. So you can create a role, check. Sorry, add, give permissions, check role. You can give connect, delete, whatever. So apply and save. Now assign role. Whatever role is created, going to give Licky. Just check is updated, right? You directly can give Licky to check. You have created your custom role. No, sir, existing role I can give, you can create it. Clear? So once go through this roles permissions, we have all custom actions. We can go through this. This is the approach. Once you can go inside, you can do it everything. Is this clear, everyone? Just like I am user, that's it. Okay. Clear, guys? Shall I move to other topic? I just created 2 users. That's it only. Don't confuse with that. Okay. I just created only. Okay, let me go to next concept, backup. These are small concepts. If you can go any document, you can easily understand these concepts. But important things are configuration of jobs like JFrog, Sona, Trevi, Maven, Docker, Kubernetes. These are very, very important. Okay, these are very small things you can easily understand with the AWS knowledge. Okay, backup, right? Now let's go to backup. So again, for backup, you need to install backup plugin. So this is the backup plugin. So what you need to do, go to plugins. So here only, right? Just give backup. Okay. In my case, install plugins, backup plugin. That's it only. If you install backup plugin, now you are able to see this in your account. Is this clear? Yes. If you set up whatever directory it is in your Linux instance, you can give the directory and zip format or tar format select, give the file name template, save it. Okay. Once you save, backup Hudson configuration. If you click it, the backend, everything is going on to take a backup. This is for Jenkins backup only. Sir, if instance may fail, what happened? You are giving this backup to where? Let me show you something to you. We will get a. This is being Jenkins server, mobextom. Okay, easy to user. So what I'm saying, I'm giving the backup where? OTP, right? You can give anywhere. So for example, my backup, I'm giving CD OPT ls. See, I'm going to give backup file here. I haven't configured. If I click, the backup file is created here. Clear? I mean, but my question is, if the Jenkins may fail, you will get it backup file here and we can restore by using this option. You can restore again. It will restore from same directory. You will get it back. You can configure Jenkins. Backup means click it, it will take a backup. But my question is, if EC2 may fail, I need backup, right? If EC2 may fail, what we can do? This is again, you are taking backup from the Jenkins server to your main server. Both are in same, right? So if EC2 may fail, so that's what we have a options snapshot. So for example, guys, we can create a snapshots. Okay, I haven't created anything. So where is the volume of your EC2 instance? For example, my EC2 is, let me go, this is my EC2 instance. I have increased the volume to 20 GB. But the reason is my Jenkins got stuck. So if you are facing any issue, you can increase the volume. How to increase the volume? Click here, actions, modify volume is there. Modify volume, increase the size and modify it. Later we need to run a one command so that only it will modify. Let me ping that command to you if you are facing an issue. I think Linux Admins, they know the command, grow up command. See, this is the command. Copy, paste it. If you run this command after modify your volume, it will update into your disk. Otherwise, it will not update. See, if you give df-h command is to check your disk space. So I have increased to 20 GB, right? So if you modify the volume now, after modify volume, you have to give the command whatever I have shared to you in the group. After that, it is updated here also in actual disk also. Otherwise, you are able to see console itself like here, your volume. Here you are able to see, but it's not updated into your disk. You have to update the file system also. So the command, if you can give, so if you can see that command, dev xvda1, right? Whatever file system you are going to update, you have to give the file system name. If you can see, my file system name is dev/xvda1. This is the main file. If you want to increase this file system, you can give this file system name. But usually we are doing only this file system. This is a root account. Whatever your configuration done, everything is going to store here only. Clear? Yeah. Now the question is, see, many actions we have. See, not only server, we can save into your S3 bucket also. We have to run some cron jobs in the Linux terminal. We have to do it. Depends on the file system. If you want to know that concept also, I will share one document to you. If you are interested, just ping me. You can do it that one. Just copy command you are using. That's it only. Copy command, your Jenkins location to your S3 bucket. That's it only. So I will share this document to you if required. These are the CLI commands, AWS EC2 and S3. We can copy the command from your EC2 to S3 bucket. Enter file system, it's go there to S3 bucket. Just copy command only. Yes, I'm here, right? So I increase the data. So how to take a backup of this EC2 instance? If something is wrong in your EC2 instance, you can do one thing. This is my volume, right? If I create a snapshot, select your volume. This is my volume, right? Create snapshot. Means snapshot is created. If your instance deleted also, no problem. From this snapshot, again, you can create. Okay, it's updating my thing, so it will take some time. Okay, if it is a done by action, we can create a volume from the snapshot again. Volume is ready. Our image is ready. From the volume, we can attach to new created EC2 instance. New created EC2 instance, your instance will be created with the same existing volume. Or you can create a directly image. From the image, we can directly create EC2 instance, right? Or not. See, if you can go AMI now. I don't know you guys are remember or not. If you have a AMI, from the AMI, if you click AMI, you can create instance. Launch instance from the AMI. See. So this AMI create from where? Snapshot. See, if you can see here, create image from the snapshot. If you create image from the snapshot, from the image, you can create instance. Means that instance, it's not fresh OS. Everything is there, our deleted instance, right? Sir, how we can get deleted instance? You have created a snapshot. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. Anyway, just stick on these things. If you go very advanced level, AWS, so many topics are there. We have a life cycle manager here. So we can create snapshot particular time every day. So if you can give name. Okay, leave it. These topics are not required at this time. We can see later if you have a time. Okay, if you create a snapshot, let me check the snapshot is created or not. Still pending. Okay, it will take some 2-3 minutes time. Meanwhile, we can discuss something. Is this clear, everyone? So the Jenkins, if I click now, it will take 15 minutes time. So end of the session, I will do it. Otherwise, I will unable to do other further process, right? If you are in the process, clear? So first, what I need to do, we need to create a backup manager plugin, and we need to set up which file the Jenkins backup is going to store, which format, which directory. You can give any name. Click it, the file system save. Now start the backup configuration. So enter backup is going to take. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. I will do this end of the session. Otherwise, it will take some time, 15 minutes. And also meanwhile snapshot also it will take some time to complete. It's a pending, right? Okay. Okay. So this is the backup story. Okay. Next is multi-branch. Multi-branch pipelines in real time you are not using. The reason I will tell. Let me create new item. Just give some example name. So pipeline or whatever, or freestyle Linux something. Multi-branch is nothing but, guys, sorry. Where is the multi-branch? Here. Okay. See, script path is Jenkins files. If you are update Jenkins files, okay, Jenkins file is there in your GitHub. So multi-branch is nothing but we are able to run all branch scripts in one time. See, branch source, Git or GitHub. Okay. So after configure here, yes. So okay, GitHub. I need to give URL, right? Let me go. So for example, this is the script URL, right? So if you give repository HRL here, so discover branches, we are able to see all branches are respective branches. If I run the script means it will run all branch script in one time. Clear? So what you need to do first? So here main branch is there, right? You need to create one more branch, test dev. For example, dev test. So what is dev test prod? For example, guys, we have a 3 environments, right? Dev, test, prod, right? Usually we are following these branches. Dev means development branch. Just whatever changes you are doing, we are checking those changes updating or not every day. Test means we need to test these changes. Okay, testing team will check this in this branch only. But here both scripts are same, right? Is there any difference? No, right? So here also same scripts are there. There is no difference. But action is different. Here testing team can check. Here develop team will check. Development team every day sending the changes to GitHub. Testing team clone to these branches. I mean, here merge request is to raise. After merging to test environment, testing team, we are checking here. Clear? Once testing got done, we can merge to production branch. Again, pull request we can raise. Already we have discussed pull request, right? In the production branch, they will verify everything is good only. They will approve to merge into production branch. Now, 3 branches. Both are all are same scripts, but action is different, right? Here developers is doing, here testers are doing, here production team is there separately, client team. They will check and they will give approve. Here to here, testing team will give approve. Here to here, production team will approve. So if I select multi-branch now, here also Jenkins files is there. Jenkins file with SCM. concept. Here also Jenkins files is here. If I run 3 branches, this all branches, entire 3 times, all environments is going to create dev, test, prod. Okay, but we are not doing in the one-time actions. We are checking and giving approve. We are checking and giving approve only. We are doing the actions. Is this clear? If I run this job now, let me show you. If I run this job, all branches created immediately, all branches Jenkins files triggered immediately and created resources. EC2 instance for dev, EC2 instance for test, EC2 instance for production. This is not correct actually. We need to verify each and every step. Dev is okay means we can give approve test. Test okay means we can give approve from production bank. It will work like that only. It's not like that for one-time job. Multi-branch, the name itself, we are running single branch till now, right? Selected single main branch. Multi-branch means all branches run in one time. This is the concept. Clear? Yeah. Let me check the snapshot. Completed, right? Snapshot. So if my snapshot is completed, right? So if I create a from the snapshot image, Jenkins image. All are same 20 GB. Everything is create image. Your image is ready now. Go to AMI. I think it will be available. Now click launch instance. See, OS is not selected right this time. OS is selected existing AMI only. This is previous Jenkins related server. Now create instance. Now you can access Jenkins. Clear now? This is server backup. That is job Jenkins backup. Inside server Jenkins backup. Understand clear difference? Yeah. Yeah. Is this clear, guys? Any confusion? So that I can go in little depth. Clear? Okay. How to restore? See, that's what we explained, right? Okay. This is my instance. Vera instance is a Jenkins present working server, right? Click actions. Sorry, go to this volume, right? This is the volume. I mean, your laptop backup storage hard disk, right? If you take hard disk, everything will come, right? So I'm taking backup hard disk here. My Jenkins server hard disk. So this is the volume. This is the hard disk of the volume. Where is this volume? Go to storage. Storage. So this is the hard disk of my present Jenkins server running. Go to these volumes. Click this volume and take snapshot. I mean, backup is created. Once backup is created from the snapshot, we can create AMI. This is restore now. Backup is taken, snapshot is ready. Now restore, how to restore? Create image from the snapshot. After create image, image is going to create into the AMIs. From the AMI, we can create instance. That's it. It's a backup. It's a restore of your instance, entire instance. Already we have done few labs on this application we have hosted and created AMI. If you create an instance from the AMI, same application will be there in that. We have already proved. Just you can revise your things. No need to install, right? Everything is there on the hard disk only. If you are taking backup, Jenkins also will come, right? At the time, if you remember or not, once we discussed the very starting classes, if you host Hello World application something into your instance, if you are taking backup by using snapshot or AMI, if you create one more instance, whatever AMI is created from the first instance, everything will come. Jenkins no need to install now. Everything is there in this server. If you want to check, you can do it. You will check. You will directly access your Jenkins. This is server backup AWS. Okay. Why server backup? My entire is there in the my Jenkins in the server only. Is this clear? No, not required. Everything configurations also there in that. Clear? This is the done. Yeah. So now the important thing is Argo CD. This is little advanced concept, guys. Little advanced concept. I will update one project, including Argo CD also, end to end. If you do one project, you will get 100% clarity on the life cycle of DevOps from the scratch to end. See, what is Argo CD? Let me open my notepad. There is the Kubernetes I have updated in the Kubernetes. Yes. Argo CD. Did I update or not? Just give me time, guys. Let me check. Okay, let me go to my DevOps. Yeah. Okay. Argo CD. Just we need to use sample Kubernetes commands only. Before that, we need to install Argo CD. Sir, what is Argo CD? Just read this. Argo CD is a declarative continuous delivery tool. This is not integration tool. It's a delivery tool. Okay. It can be used as standalone tool as part of your CI/CD workflow delivery resource or cluster. What they're saying now, guys. See, till now what we did. So we have placed our Kubernetes files in GitHub, right? We call from the GitHub, right? So if you can see the Jenkins pipeline, go to dashboard. Okay, let me delete this multi-branch pipeline and also delete this something. Okay. For example, go to Docker K8, configure. If you can see here, my kubectl apply -f deployed service.yaml calling from where? This YAML file calling from where? GitHub, right? GitHub. Inside GitHub, my deployed.service.yaml is there. So what Argo CD will do? Argo CD, like a UI tool, it will call the scripts, Kubernetes scripts from the GitHub and run your Kubernetes. Clear? Run your Kubernetes. I mean, so GitHub, right? Kubernetes cluster. Kubernetes cluster. Okay. So we are Kubernetes calling from the GitHub, right? From the GitHub, kubectl apply, it will create whatever things, actions. Inside, we have to place our YAML files, right? So Terraform, right? So for example, let's go Swiggy DevOps project. So I need to place my YAML files in the Kubernetes, right? Like this. I'm calling from here. So instead of directly calling from the GitHub, your Kubernetes, in between we are using Argo CD. You're using Argo CD. Sir, what is the advantage? You can understand now. Once I do the task, you can understand the advantage. No need to say here. Why we need to integrate in between? Directly I'm calling na, sir. Why this Argo CD again? So Argo CD is direct Kubernetes tool. Clear? Kubernetes referring, go with Argo CD. First choice. This is my native tool. We are using third-party tool GitHub. to deployment, CD process. Your Jenkins deploy the CD files from GitHub to Kubernetes, right? Kubernetes is saying whatever files you are deploying from the GitHub, right? You can deploy through Argo CD. In between the journey, you can feel the difference. What is the difference? You can feel the difference. Just what is the difference? You can see now. Okay. I will show you. What is the difference? I will show you now. Okay. Let's start the process. Then we can discuss. So installation process. So go to Kubernetes Argo CD doc. Argo CD. No. This is UI of Argo CD. Looks like that. We can go here Y Argo CD. So if you are interested, go with Y Argo CD, getting start something. So getting start right here, getting start. So this is the first command to install your Argo CD. Okay. This is the first command. These are Argo CD configure and Kubernetes the background YAML files. So if you want to check this YAML files, copy. This is installation process only. See, these many files are there at the backend. We are calling these many files to implement Argo CD, right? These are placed in one GitHub, Argo CD GitHub. So I'm calling these YAML files. I'm creating pods, services to give support to Argo CD only. This is pods and services not related to any other application. If you remember or not, Ingress we have done. At the time, pods are created, right? Services are created. Ingress pods, Ingress services. Ingress services. Those are for work as Ingress. Those pods and services give support to work Ingress, right? So here to work Argo CD, the backend, these many pods, the backend, these many YAML files are working. Clear? I'm not using any RPM package. I'm not installing any tar files. This is YAML files manner. Like we are calling from YAML files, we are configuring Argo CD to configure purpose. Understand? Okay. So kubectl create namespace Argo CD, right? So let me go to how to delete namespace, guys. Anyone? Why it is disconnecting every time? Tell me, guys, how to get the namespace details? First, how to get the namespace details? Kubectl get ns will work na? What happened? Okay. So how to update it? My kubectl. What is the command to update? So yesterday I have sent you, right? Kubectl config. What was the command? Kubectl config cluster, your cluster name and your region. This is the command, right? Okay, got it. In the previous class, I have updated my keys in different. Okay, got it. AWS configure, access key ID, secret key ID. Anyway, let me check this command and we can US East 1. Cluster name is Naresh. Okay, got it. So go to IAM. Sorry, root. I have deleted the keys. Security credentials. Okay, let me go and check role first. With instead of doing this, Vera, right? Instance setting, actions, security, modify M role. So let me go and check the role. Sir, Vera role. Yes, role is there, right? Permission also there. If it will work, I need to configure keys. I have logged in this only, right? 172 31 82 62. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I have configured one user access here. That's what it's taking by default. Let me root account. I can configure credentials. Mm, let me delete one, deactivate. See, double works. Delete. Control C. Control V. Delete. So create access key. Let me download better. Access key. AWS configure. Sorry. US East 1. Okay. Okay, updated, right? So the reason why, sir, we have a role now, sir. Why you are attaching keys again? The reason is I have configured some user keys. By default, it is taken from the user key. So I'm just overwriting the keys from the root. Otherwise, I can remove the keys also, no problem, right? Yeah. So now tell me, guys, what are the commands? Kubectl. Let me check first. Kubectl get nodes. We have already given, right? 9870766566 root config same is there na. Mm, who is that user? Mm. 98660 987075. Okay. Anyway, I will add here permission. It is taking the users. Okay. Administrator access. I'm giving this. Naveen, do you have any cluster you have created, right? Other account? Which region you have created? US East, right? Okay. US East. Okay. Which one is the master? This one is master, right? Okay, connect. Mm. Okay. Sudo su hyphen kubectl get nodes. Okay. Anyway, I will try here. Okay. The first process is to install is these commands, right? Whatever Argo CD is saying that first install Argo CD, these commands. Okay. I have updated in the notepad. If required, you can just go through these two commands. Both are same. Okay. Now just go there. Okay. I'm copying from here. I'll just run here, not here. Okay. Paste it. See namespace created. Why namespace created? First, I have given kubectl create namespace Argo CD. If you can see the command, first command is create namespace Argo CD and apply Argo CD for these all files. I mean, these files already stored in one GitHub, right? We are calling from there. This is installation of Argo CD. They are placed all codes in some GitHub. We are calling from there and apply it, right? So we have a YAML files. We can apply it, right, directly. So location is the YAML files are there. We are applying from there, their GitHub to our local. So if you can see, so many pods are created. Deployment, service, pods, config map, roles. These are related to what? Your Argo CD installation only. Okay. So to run your Argo CD, we need a service. We need a deployment. We need a config map secrets. We need a process. We need a something, all are right. For that, the configuration setup, this is for Argo CD. Is this clear? Any confusion? No, right? Okay. Let's jump to our document. See, I have done, we can see just for kubectl get pods, SVC service, we can check. So we need mainly pod and service to access Argo CD UI, right? So for that, I'm going to check kubectl get pod. If you can see now, I'm able to see Swiggy and web, but I'm unable to see these pods. Why? Anyone? I'm unable to see Argo CD pods. Why? Anyone? Any guess? Very good. I have installed where namespace is Argo CD, right? I'm checking default. Default means there is no space, right? So I need to give -n Argo CD, right? Kubectl will get pods -n Argo CD. Now these are related to Argo CD pods. Clear? Now same thing we can check service. Kubectl will get SVC -n pod. See the command also I have updated. Sorry, Argo CD. You can directly copy, paste it here. These are service details. Clear? Pod details, service details. Now you can go there. See guys, now you tell me why I need to edit this one. If you can see this SVC details, this is by default configure cluster IP. But I'm accessing from the outside, right? Definitely I need to use node port or load balancer. In your ingress also we did same thing. We have edited our service cluster IP to node port or load balancer to access your kubectl. I mean access your Argo CD. So I'm going to edit this one. Copy. What I'm going to edit here, if you can see here, I'm editing this service. Kubectl get SVC -n Argo CD. See, now I'm going to edit this Argo CD server. Argo CD server only giving access to outside, right or not? Outside. So I'm enabling this edit. If you can come here, where is the type? See, type is cluster IP. So cluster IP, this is internal action only, right? How to access additional actional? We can give node port or load balancer. Let me give node port. See, edited, right? Now, before command, if you can see 8 TCP, 443 TCP only. Now you can give same command, edit up, not edit, SVS. See, node port is updated here. Node port is updated. We can access our Argo CD UI now. We are ready to access our Argo CD UI now. Okay. Now next command is what? If you can give, access it with node port IP, node IP and port, right? We can access it now. Now, how to access? kubectl get nodes -o void. So I need to select which nodes, right? External IPs. These are we need to access, right? So node port means external IP, right? Copy. What is the port number? 31678. Let me close so many things in my end first. Okay. So Control V, what I need to give? 31678. See what they are saying? Your connection is not private. Okay, no problem. Go with advanced. Proceed with unsafe. So I'm accessing HTTP, right? They are saying it's not safe. No problem. I'm checking for only practice. Now the concept is admin password. So username is admin. But what about password? See, in the Jenkins also we can run a one command to get a password, right? Same thing here also. Secrets is there. kubectl get secrets. Already we discuss in Kubernetes. Secrets are going to store etcd, right? Kubernetes. So if I can run, okay. Okay. See, if I run this command, I'll get a secrets, all secrets. These are secret things, secret files. See, whenever we are installing Argo CD, secrets, deployments, services, everything is created at the backend, right? The setup. So we need to take a password from the secret. So there is a command, kubectl get secret from that. Just you are editing the secrets only. We are editing the secrets only to get a password. See, we are editing the secret argo initial admin secret. We are taking initial admin secret means we are login initial time, right? This is initial. Yeah, this is the password, right? This is the password. Copy it. If you can see, this password is in decrypt manner. I mean, sorry, decode manner. We need to change it. If you can see, the command is to how to change. Otherwise, we can run any Google how to encode to decode. Already we have seen in Ansible. You remember or not? So we can directly give here password to decode password. So this is command to decode your password. Okay. This is encoded format. We should not copy it directly. So I'm running this command to decode it. Let me switch from here. Okay. So this is the command to decode your password. Echo means print the decode password. So this is the password. Okay. Copy it. Now go to Argo CD. Now sign in. See the Argo CD magic. We are in Argo CD now. This is official deployment. This is official deployment page for your Kubernetes. So Argo CD source is what? Argo CD source is what? Source. Source is GitHub. Target is what? Kubernetes, right? So we are already doing the same activity. There is my cursor. We are already doing same activity directly, right? But we are inserting in between your Kubernetes and GitHub Argo CD. Is this clear now? Yeah, yeah. So now, how to create application? I'm creating directly application. New application. See, application name, you can give anything, Swig or something. Swig, I'm giving. Project name default, you can keep as is. So here, repository URL. What is your repository URL? It is your GitHub URL. Clear? So go to your GitHub. GitHub. Go to here. Here, main, right? Right? Main branch, not header. Here path is, where is my path? Kubernetes. KU. Is this clear? Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm calling the script from GitHub. Okay. Let me check. First of all, the path is correct or not. Manual, all are same. Okay, cluster URL you can give default one. App path is absolute. You're giving correct only, right? Let me check like this way. So path we need to give correct manner. We'll check always. Okay. So no need to give forward slash, directly give your directory. So I mean your GitHub URL and give your Kubernetes path. YAML files are there here, right? For example, YAML files are not there in folder structure. You can use just forward slash star. It will apply for wherever YAML files are there. Is it clear? So my application is ready. My application source is ready. You know the magic? Come to your CLAR kubectl get deployment. Already some deployments is there here, right? So I'm going to delete Swiggy app. Already Naveen already deployed something Swiggy app. How to delete? Kubectl delete deployment Swiggy app. Is this clear? Delete deployment Swiggy app. Deleted, right? Kubectl get SVC. Swiggy app. I'm going to delete this one also. Kubectl delete SVC Swiggy app. Kubectl CLAR. Now kubectl get pods. See, only web deployment. There is no Swiggy deployment, right? Kubectl get SVC. Only Kubernetes and web internal only. There is no Swiggy, right? See the magic now. Sync. Prune app, dry run only app force. Let me check force. So many comments are there here. App only. Let me remove force. Sync. Sorry, this page is unable to see. No app selected now. Where? Swiggy DevOps project at Git. Prune foreground, background, no, not required. No sync. What is this here? Where Swiggy? Where? Select there Swiggy. Where? I have selected right already. What? Wait, what we are missing here? Synchronize. Synchronizing is going on. Maybe taking time. Let me check once. Mm, 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 mm. Same Swiggy DevOps project kit. Okay, correct only. Revision is main, right? Choose server side apply now. No, not required. It should run. Everything is created, right? Skip. Let me go on. Swig. We can create one more time. Get this application. Create application. Application name you can give anything. It's not required to give the same name. Let me give same name. Not required. Anyway, project name. You can give default. It's manual SNS policy. Repository URL. Correct only we have given. I think so. Branch is main, right? Let me check branch is main or not. Yeah, main. Main. Path Kubernetes, right? Capital K or small k. Copy, paste. Okay. Destination is namespace URL. Namespace. We can give default. No problem. As anything is there. Yeah, we can go there. Okay, running. See healthy now. Okay. So no need to select any dry run app one only. That is a problem. I will show you one more time if required. See created, right? Now go to your kubectl, get pods. See deployed Swiggy also. Clear? Let me check. Hello? No problem, sir. No problem. For me also it will do. కింద దిగిపోండి సార్ మీరు. మైత్రి వన్ ఉంది. నాకు కూడా 15 minutes పడుతుంది. వచ్చేసాను సార్. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. షూర్ సార్, షూర్ సార్. గైస్, అండర్స్టాండ్? సో హౌ Swiggy, sorry, how Argo CD is communicating from the GitHub and deploying into the Kubernetes, right? So click on this. See the magic here. The source, number of pods. See, number of pods running. How service is linked to your pods. Everything you can see in the UI manner. Okay, this is just how to integrate. So many things are there. Why Argo CD is more popular? It's a more control in the application level. Clear? More control on the application level. This is the thing. Understand? Now, in my project, whenever GitHub AML files is updated, automatically it will trigger Swiggy. Sorry, Argo CD. Whenever Argo CD will trigger, automatically deployment has to be into your Kubernetes. Clear? Just I have sync into the manual, right? In our whatever project I'm going to do, it will take some time anyway. That project I'm going to add the Argo CD also in between Kubernetes and GitHub. My aim is my Docker image sent to ECR, right? Whenever ECR job got done, my image is ready. Okay. Next job will run. The job will pick the file from GitHub to Argo CD. Whenever file is updated into the Argo CD, immediately Argo CD will create application to Kubernetes. This is very, very advanced level project. It's a very interesting project. Okay. Understand? Clear? Any doubts? These are why we are using Argo CD. Best UI, best control. We can, so many options are there in that. We can control it. Instead of touch even your cluster. Clear? Did I enter anything in my cluster? No. Now I can give this application access to my colleague. He can control, he can use only application UI. He is only can access this application only. My cluster is safe, right? In this case, if I give this URL to my colleague, he can access only this application. If I configure this application, so my cluster is safe for deletions, some updations. So he can control only application level here. By using this Argo CD, I cannot delete my cluster, right? Just I can do any changes in the application only. If I run, if I delete, only application may impact. So inside, if you have inside, if you can see here, web deployment also there, right? Is there any impact on that? No. If I give this cluster access to your friend or colleague, he can do any changes here also. Is this clear, everyone? This is the concept of Argo CD. Yes, only UI level. So we can see number of pods, number of nodes, not nodes, application only, number of pods, number of pod services linked into it, everything we can, particular application only. We can create number of applications also, multiple applications, but this is not recommended, right? In this case, so you are configuring Argo CD for only one project, right? That project URL you are giving, right? Then we should not configure multiple application. Why? Your URL is same, right? Your project GitHub URL is same, not for multi URL, right? So in that case, we can create applications. Is this clear? Yeah. So this is the concept. Everyone, please do practice. If you have a time, check all options inside. Since you have a knowledge on Kubernetes, check all options. What are the options? Just play with that 1 or 2 days. So what first do the task, then you can do some changes. What is dry run? If I click that one, if I click this one, what will happen? Something we can do it. Okay. Yeah, this is the Argo CD. If you have a multiple applications where in your GitHub URL only, right? So give the GitHub URL, give the path. It will take multiple applications path. I'm giving only single path, right? In the GitHub URL, I have only one application. If multiple application there in your URL, you can give the URL and give the forward dot slash. It will take all applications, right? I'm giving only Kubernetes, right? It will take only Kubernetes. If it is my Kubernetes is not there in the GitHub or the same YAML files you are deploying in the Kubernetes, it will work, right? If I give Kubernetes, I have only one pod, one deployment, one YAML. But in Jenkins will not, see guys, will not give any YAML files in the Jenkins now. Jenkins only job to trigger GitHub. Whenever GitHub triggered, your application will trigger. We are not passing any kubectl apply, kubectl get SVS something. Okay, anyway, if you have any confusion, just wait for 2-3 days. I will give the entire content to you, how to run and everything. You will get a clarity. Jenkins level, we can do the control. Now everything is manual, right? We can do in the Jenkins level. We can you will get a clarity on the project. Is this clear? Any confusion on this Argo City? Why Argo City is the best UI, best control. Okay. So you will get understand. Don't worry. I'm going to show you entire every tool in the project. My aim is every tool I will cover. So in that you will get a clarity. Okay, why is calling like this way? You can get it. That's the reason I have explained everything in the Argo City before. So before explanation Argo City, if I give that project, may you confuse, right? What is Argo City? How it will work? Now you will get a clarity, right? What is Argo City? How it will work? You will get a clarity, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, this is Argo City. Next, one more concept is the last concept is Trivi. What is Trivi? So many times we are using scanner, DevSecOps. So these are security tools. Trivi is nothing but security tool. Okay, let me show you. Trivi. So Trivi is a scanner tool to scan your Docker images, your whatever source application file. Sir, we have a sonar now, sir. Why Trivi? Trivi is for only check vulnerabilities. What is vulnerabilities? Vulnerabilities is nothing but if your image in your code, any risk is there from the hackers. How protect your code from the hackers? How developers are written that code? What are the chances are there to hack your image? What are the chances are there to hack your code? That will provide Trivi. If your image is in risk, so before deploying your image into your Kubernetes, will run your Trivi. Trivi will take care of generate one report. What is the risk from the hackers? I mean, vulnerabilities is nothing but your code is safe or not from the hackers. Clear? So we have to provide the Trivi scan. That also possible. Already running application also we sync in the Argo City. Okay. Trivi has a most popular open source security scanner, reliable, fast, and easy to use. Use Trivi find vulnerability. We can use vulnerabilities here. We can use the infrastructure as a code. We can use the so many areas. Trivi. Okay. So very simple, guys. Trivi just only one command. It will scan image. That's it. First, we need to install Trivi and scan image. That's it. Nothing is there in the rocket science and that. Okay. So installation process, there is a link somewhere. Yes, installation. Click on this here. See, guys, we have so many options. Just go with RPM. Just RPM. That's it. RPM. Run this command into your Linux. Trivi is installing into your local. So don't follow other things. Many people are saying so many stories to install Trivi, not required. Just run command, RPM command. That's it. Trivi version. So if anyone asks what is Trivi, Trivi is a just scanner of your image, scanner of your infrastructure as a code. If you are using Trivy, we can understand what are the vulnerabilities of this image. Vulnerabilities is nothing but what is the risk from the hackers. Is this protected or not? This image is in good way or not? Secure or not? We can understand easily from the Trivy. Is this clear? Go to the document again. So I have installed the Trivy. Is this guy saying the same? Okay, can install like that, like that, like that. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. So if you want to learn the Trivy, just this document is enough. One page document is enough for understand Trivy. That's it. Okay. Let me share this link to you. Control C. 9 a.m. batch. Yes. This guy is saying, okay, so just document details about Trivy. Trivy is a comprehensive security scanner. Trivy has a scanner that looks for security issues. Okay, in a security issues target where it can be find those issues. So what are the targets? What Trivy can scan? Container images. Okay, file system, Git repositories, VMs, Kubernetes, AWS. We can use anywhere this Trivy it can scan. Okay, out after installation. So this is the process. Once Trivy installation done, we need to give the your image, Trivy image, and your image name. That's it. It will scan. Clear? See, copy. For example, in my case, Trivy is there, right? I'll install. One step is install, check version is there or not, and scan your image. That's it. In this case, if you can observe, Trivy image Python 3.4 Alpin. It will take from public. This is public image. In your image, you can give your image URL. It will just scan your URL, right? Your ECR URL. How you are passing ECR URL to GitHub, right? You are giving your image URI. It will check your ECR URI image. It will say for it will tell. See. It's processing. It's checking now. Scanning vulnerabilities. Scanner vulnerabilities. See, these many reports they are generating. Remote attackers can cause. Ask them to wait 5 minutes. See, these are the reports. Trivy generated. If you can see, first we need to check high severity. Large number of columns. Input makes high amount. Like this, some issue is coming. And critical. Out of bounds, write in function, something issue, critical. Next, high. Some high action. Medium, leave it. Low, leave it. High, leave it. Medium, leave it. So if there is any critical issue, immediately we have to address that. Developers need to work on that. Where the critical issue is coming from the Trivy scanner. Trivy scanner is saying, whatever you are using argument, this is very risk. Trivy is saying that. Clear? So Sonar is different. Sonar is quality checks. How quality is your code is follow your quality. And in the Sonar also, it will cover some security issues. But Trivy is for dedicatedly security. Not for quality, security. How safe your image from public attackers. Clear? This is Trivy. So I just in my project, if you can see in the one of the project, I have implemented this one also. See image scan Trivy. Which project Docker creates. So after Docker build image is created, right? I've given same. So image is created here only, right? In the server only, right? First. So I've given image scan. So that image created image check, it will scan here. I mean, my image is created right here. Docker build -t. Jenkins is created image here. Docker image. So Docker images means, see, I'm able to see all these images, right? So Trivy scan your image name. It will scan, right? I'm giving through Jenkins the same command. If you can see, privy image. Okay, which image name? Check. I've already built the same image by name of the check. So if I give check one to, is there any image in my local? I'm built check image, but I'm checking check one. It will not take, right? It will take privy image, same name. It will scan it. Clear? 2 minutes. Clear? So when we can use the scanner, like that we can use. Clear, guys? So these are all concept, guys, security services. So I will, 75% project already done. Swiggy also done. We have done already previous one project, right? Some HTML also. I will make it one more project to, what a Trivi, Sonar, and Argo CD. I will add these thing into that project. I will show you one project. And also I will provide one big document, project document. I need to make it the document. So my intention is, if you see that document, you guys are able to do the project. That is my intention. Earlier, I need to do that video, no, but better practice is document. You will get some knowledge also how to do these tasks. In the project, they are not giving any video. They are giving some project documents. From the document, you have to do the things. So like that same in real environment, I'm going to provide some project document and project. So you need to do that. Take your own time. Don't go directly project. Please take 1 month time. Even though I push the project 2 days, but don't do that. The reason is, first you need to practice everything. And the server also I'm going to create by using Terraform. We are creating server by manual, right? The server also created from the using Terraform. I'm running few commands, right? Install Git, that install Jenkins. That one also I'm going to create by using Jenkins pipeline. So my intention is that I'm not doing any action by manual process. If I run Jenkins pipeline, everything has to do like real environment. That is my intention. So for that, from your end, I need some practice. You have to do practice for Kubernetes, Docker, not go in depth. Just what is commands, image, how to push, how to pull, how to run, service, access, deployment, Terraform, all things complete in 15 days. Then only do the project. If you anyone do the project in 3 days, or this is the doubt, I'm not going to respond. First, you need a knowledge, right? Without knowledge, sir, why we need to run apply command? Without knowledge, how can I do that? So complete your all the things first, then start the project. Is it clear? Yes. So guys, so leave it, guys. We are discuss so many topics. Okay, leave it. If you want to learn something, go with the documents. If you know, sir, I need something, just ping me. I will share the document. You can just go with that flow. Okay. So leave it. No need to learn additional things. Don't learn any additional things. These are very, very fine. We learn in a very advanced level. First, complete your things. Then we can go for other things. Okay. If you want to learn, sir, this is the topic I want to learn, just ping me. I will share the document. Do it. If you're getting an error, I will help you. Clear is this? Yes. So this is the last class. And guys, I'm going to share you sample resume. From the resume, you need to add the content, your content, where you are strong, and send me back 1-to-1, not meet. I mean, Telegram. This is not good practice. 1-to-1, you and me connect 15 minutes in a call, discuss what you need to change, what you need to update. Please don't ask in the Telegram group, sir, I have 4 years experience. Leave it for, just call me. I will respond, right? I'm here to help you. First, complete your resume. Before that, complete your tasks. After project, then resume, then approach me. Is this clear? No, sir, these projects are done. I'm showing these projects in my resume. Then also I'm fine. Send your resume, update your whatever projects you are going to update, and send me, connect me. We can connect it. Is this clear, guys? Okay, guys. So thank you so much for your support for 4 months. Sorry, I supposed to complete before, but due to some reasons, we are learning few other things. So advanced things, definitely I can say these are advanced things we have learned, so many things. Okay. So if you can see, yeah. Thank you so much, Sachin. You are, first of all, I appreciate your help to team. Many times, you are helping to team. That is very great. And Guys, really enjoy these sessions, 4 months. Any confusions? Do you feel unnecessarily taking training from this, sir? I supposed to switch other, sir? Is there anything? Are you fine, right? So I'm not sharing any review links, guys. I think Naresh, IT, they are saying some review link to share to you to get a feedback. I'm not encouraging these things. Anyway, I need your mouth talk. I need your support. I always be with you. Okay. Till you are get a job, I will give my response, my support to you anytime. Okay. I will be here. Sir, I'm facing this issue. Many times, many people are getting job, but me, I'm unable to get a job. Just call me. Even if I'm not unable, I will share my contact number also. If you are facing an issue of the Telegram, I don't have any issue. And I will share my resume also. I don't have any problem for that also. To sharing resume, nothing is there. I will share my CV. Don't worry. I will share my CV. Okay, I don't have any problem. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, I have a good experience. Definitely, I have cracked in these 4 months 11 jobs, 11 offer letters I have, but I'm not going to join anyway. I will share my CV. Okay. Thank you so much your support. Be in touch with me. All the best to your future. Okay. Still, if you want to learn any advanced things, please ping me the topic. I will help you. Is this clear, everyone? And one more thing, mock interviews. I'm welcome to take a mock interviews. If anyone, sir, we are ready to take mock interviews, just give your names. I will take your mock interviews. But these are after project, we can do it. Okay. Clear? Okay, guys. Thank you so much. All the best to your future. If you are struggle anything, don't hesitate. Call me. I promise you one thing. You remember or not? I remember. I will push at least 6, 7 resumes to few companies, right? Interviewers are ready. Seriously saying, companies are ready. If you're ready, come up with your resume with your confidence, sir. I'm okay. Immediately I will arrange the interview. 3 companies. Okay. All are MNC companies. Okay. Yes. This is thank you so much. Once again, all the best. Bye. Yeah. Okay.